How does Chime Credit Builder work? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how does your Chime Credit Builder can work. So the Chime Credit Builder card is a secure Visa credit card. It works just like a regular credit card in that you can use it to buy gas, groceries or household goods anywhere Visa is accepted. You can also make fee-free cash withdrawals at in-network ATMs. The card has no annual fees or APR. With the Chime Credit Builder card, you make security deposit into your credit builder account. However often and or any amount you choose, you can then make purchases on credit up to your account balance. Each month you receive a statement that you must pay in full. You can either pay your balance with money from your credit builder account or your Chime checking account. Chime then report your on-time payments and late payments, if you have any, to the major credit brochure every month. So this is how your Chime Credit Builder card will work. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.